Hello everybody, this is Anirban Chowdhury, Assistant Professor of BHHA Department from Kingston School of Management Science. Today's topic is oil, part 1. And this PPT you know overall view of what are the content are there and which site are there present. So you can see that there are different type of content and this is the slide page number. First is the learning option. In this PPT, we know what is oil, and what are the different type of edible oils are there, and know each example of different type of edible oils. So today's topic is different type of edible oils. Okay, introduction. An oil is a non-poreal chemical substance that is various liquid at the immediate temperature and is both hydrophilic, is known as or it is also known as does not mix with the water, literally water bearing. So that is known as hydrophobic. Okay. Next one is your lipophilics mixture with other oils. Okay, literally fat loving. Oils have highly carbonated and hydrogen content and are useful, flammable and surface activity. So this is oil. Next is different type of oil. Today's topic. These are the several type of plant oil and your nuts oil and different type of food based, seeds based, different type of oils there. They have plant sources or different type of seed sources there. There's a classification because oil have classified everywhere. So these are the normal way that is classified. It's not oil that can be classified the three types. These are major oils. Those are heavily uses and they have heavily demanded in worldwide oil. Next one is nut oils. That is normally prepared by the nuts, different type of nuts. Next one is other eatable. They have mixed with different type of nuts or seeds. Normally this type of other eatables are come from seeds bits. Okay. The first is your major oils. These are the make of different function of worldwide edible production. They have some example. They have coconut oil, corn oils, castor seed oil, olive oils, palm oils, and peanut oils. They have other example. These are the more of the frequently used. So we have shown in this PPT. Coconut oil are normally prepared with the coconuts. Extract from the coconut oil and prepare this coconut oil. Next one is corn oil. The corn oil is extract from corns and it is normally used for different type of salad and cooking purpose. And castor seed oil normally used for your cooking and your salad dressing and normal from the castor seeds. Next one is olive oil. Olive oil different type of variety. So olive oil are extract from olive tree or olive seeds. That is known as olive oil. Next one is palm oil. Palm oil is already tropical oil, popular in West African Brazilian side cuisine. They are normally extract from palm trees. Okay, next one is peanut oil or groundnut oil, liquid from different type of salad dressing and as well your different type of cooking purpose, frying purpose. They have extract from palm nuts. Next was is nut oils. Nut oils are normally prepared with different type of cooking purpose and they have used for different type of other benefit also as well. They have normally extract from different type of nuts product. So they have almond, beech nut, Brazilian nut, cashew nut, hazelnut nut, more are their nuts. So these are the example of your nut based oil. First one is almond oil. Almond is a normally almond and snacks that is heavily used. So that nut are extract from that oil that is known as almond oil. Then is beech nut oil from Fuga sensitive nut. It's also extract from beech nut type of product that is also heavily used as a snacks. European region they have heavily used this type of oils for their salad and cooking purpose. Then was Brazilian nut oil contains 75 unsaturated fat and component mainly oleic and linoleic acid as well. This type of oil are extract from different type of Brazilian nut base of material. Next one is cashew oil. Cashew oil also heavily used as a normal food or nut purpose use, but they have other purpose. They extract from oil from the nuts. It is known as your cashew oil. Okay, they have compared to olive oil, similar basis of heavy demanded and expensive oil. Next one is hazelnut oil, mainly used for your flavor or used for skincare as well. This type of oil are extract from hazelnuts. Next is other eatable because this type of oil have different type of seed space or the product that is inside their seeds. They are not only for directly used for cooking, but they have used for other purpose as well. So some oil they have used for cooking as well other purpose. So they have normally base use seed based oil. Name of first one is almond nut oil. Almond nut from grind from the almond seeds. That is extract from that plant. That is known as almondated oil. Name apricot oil. Apricot is a different type of food that is heavily used. So this type of food have contain different types of apricot seeds. They have extract from that oil from that seeds. Next one is apple seeds. Apple are also similar to your famous food. Their seed also extract for oil purpose. That is known as apple seeds oil. Next one is avocado oil. Avocado also is famous with, but it is also seed based. Next, bina oil. This bina also extract from seed bases. They have babasu oil. That is also seed related bases. So this type of oil are seed bases. So these are the your different type of oils. Picture you see that avocado oil will look like this. Coconut oil will look like similar. Okay, depend on the refining stages. So we have know what is the refining because when the oil is extracted, they have transferred with a different type of sheets or the different type of filtration system. So that we all more be clear. Okay. Then have mustard seed, they have mustard oil. There's corn oils. These are now come as your major oil parts. Coconut also major oil parts and olive oil, avocado oil also be your other edible oils. They have peanut oils. They have soybean oil. The soybean beans have extract from this oil. These are the different type of oil pictures. That you have activity or the quiz for this PPT. You have know me what are the different type of edible oils are and give four type of example of each example of their type of oils. And this self-reading you know about this topic more, you can go for these two books. This compound theory of cooking from Krishna Arora, food production operation by Pirvin S. Pali. And we will be more interact about the know about this topic. We go come into your G classes and know about details of this topic. Okay, and reference this PPT are prepared by these two of study materials. From comes first one is theory of cookery by Krishna Arora. Next one is food production operation by P.S. Pali. So thank you for watching this PPT. Yes.